Good day everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to activate Gemini browser. So in general, to give you an explanation, in April of this year, activating the browser refers to enabling the native Gemini in Chrome side panel. And since the update, Gemini has moved from being just a website to a built-in agentic assistant that lives right in your browser's architecture. So as you can see, we even have a page that meets Gemini in Chrome. So it's living actually right inside your Chrome now. So if you are looking to get these features working, as you can see, we can get the gist instantly. So on your Chrome, you should have that little button. I'm not really sure why I don't have it. Let me actually check that. All right, so if you don't have this, I actually don't either. You need to open up the Chrome flags right here, and then type in Glick this, and then just enable Glick, and also enable the side panel, Glick side panel. Enable this, and then relaunch the browser. And if you can't see it still, guys, don't worry. It probably means that in your particular region, the feature hasn't been rolled out yet, but in general, you have to be on Chrome version 144 or higher. So I'm on 147, I believe, and I still don't have it. So if you don't have it, just wait. So stop searching and start finding. If this guide helps you unlock your browser's true potential, hit like and subscribe.